See that taillight? Now you don't see that taillight. I'm gonna show you. Take it out. Pop the door. 2 bolts. They're not even hidden. See that? Then, firmly, Wesley, firmly, you gotta pull that puppy out of the socket. Now, I pulled both hands firmly. Alright? This thing went flying. So you gotta catch it so you don't scratch it. Here's a guide. One guide right into there. Now, there's nothing you can really do other than squeeze this and turn this. And this puppy is probably, who knows, 197. What is this thing? We'll put it in the description, but there you go. So let's put it back. Hey, look, is that an indication of what this is? A W5W? Oh yeah, there you are. I don't know, you plug that in, it just comes up as a generic, probably 197. But let's put this puppy back. And that's what it looks like before you take it out. So, line that up. This will automatically line up since it's Toyota. And you're going to put it right back the way you found it. See that? Then smack it. See? Yeah, you got to pull. It's a little ledge right here. You can sort of use as a grappling. Yes, it is 80 degrees on a Halloween. So, happy Halloweeny. And like it, don't like it, share, don't share, subscribe, don't subscribe. Thanks for watching.